Hello everyone, I am Rinku, working as an assistant professor in Department of Management in RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus. Today we are discuss about the topic that is Export Import Policy 2009 and 14 Special Focus Intensity Special Focus Provisions. The Foreign Trade Policy FTP 2009 and 14 operated with the effect from of this 27 August 2009 until 31st March 2014. An annual supplement is issued as the forms part of the FTP. Central government can make the amendment in FTP by issuing the notification of public interest. Authorization issued by before commencement of the FTP shall be continued be valid of the purpose and duration which be authorization issue. Special focus intensity. The chapter on special focus intensity is broadly classified into market diversification, technological upgradation, support to stakeholder, agriculture and villager industry, handlooms, handicrafts, gems and jewelries, leather and footwear, marine sectors, electronic and IT, hardware manufacturing industry, sports goods and toy, green product and technologies, incentive from the export from the northeastern region. Sector and entity. Market diversification. 27 new countries have been including of the focus market scheme. The incentives increase from the 2.5 to 3%. Technological upgradation EPGC scheme is at zero duty have been introduced and they have been simplified. Agriculture and village industry Vikas Krishi and Gramin Udyog Yojana capital goods improved by the EPG and be special installed anywhere in the AEG. Import of inputs such as the prescribed in the permissions. Handlooms and handicrafts duty-free import of all pieces and hand-counted carpet consigning basis of the pre and re-export after the repair of the permitted. Gems and jewelries import of goods of 8K and above the allow the under replacement scheme. Duty-free re-importment 2% of FOB value of export and duty-free import attainment of the commencement samples shall be 3 lakh. Leather and footwear finishing leather export to be incentives. Mining sectors duty-free export of the specified specialization input and chemical it allow to the extent and 1% of the FOB value of the prescribed financial year export. Managed sector including of the benefit under the zero duty EPCG scheme. Electronics and IT hardware manufacturing industry export of electronics goods by the incentives under the focus product scheme. Electronics sector including for benefit under the SHIS schemes. Green product and technology focus would be in the item repeating of the transformation, solar, wind power, generation and other product and may be notified which with the incentive under the renewable systems and schemes. Incentive for export from the northeastern region. Notified product of the region would be incentivized under the renewable and reward systems. Thank you.